Welcome. Today we are continuing with Computer Studies Paper 1. Look for Part 1 in yesterday's video. Section B, 60 marks. Answer question number 16 and any other 3 questions from this section. Question 16, Roman 1. Define the following terms as used in programming. Machine dependent is software application that is designed to operate on a specific computer or hardware devices. These are programs with this attribute are optimized for the target hardware. Bug is an error, flaw or fault in a computer program or system that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result. Syntax refers to the rules that define the structure of a language. Syntax in a computer programming means the rules that control the structure of the symbols, punctuation, and words of a programming language. Question 16, Roman 2. Give 2 reasons to justify why most programmers prefer using compilers instead of interpreters. Compiled programs run quickly since they have already been translated. A compiled program can be supplied as an executable file. An executable file is a file that is ready to run. Compilers optimize code. Optimized code can run quicker and takes up less memory space. Describe 2 limitations of machine language. Machine dependent, difficult to learn and use, difficult to debug. Programs written using machine language are difficult to maintain. Roman 4. Study the pseudocode below and design its equivalent flowchart. Start, count 1 for count. And this is how you design its flowchart. This is its equivalent flow chart. Question 17. The 5-bit number is used to represent decimal number 5. Show 3 methods of coding for -5. 1 complement, 2 complements, and prefixing a sign bit. Convert the binary numbers into octal equivalent, hexadecimal, convert to decimal. Use 8-bit tools to subtract from. Perform the following calculation. Question 18. Define the term desktop publishing. It's the process of producing publication by designing, inserting, editing, formatting, and printing of text and graphical objects using desktop publishing software. List 3 non-printing guides used in desktop publishing. Margin guide, ruler guide, column guide. Explain the following features as used in DTP when manipulating graphical objects. Fill. Fill refer to applying patterns such as shading. Stroke. Stroke refers to applying a line style. So remember, illustrations are also accepted. Roman 6. That's wrong. It's supposed to be Roman 4. Anyway. Describe any 3 types of action queries. Delete query, delete specified records from one or more tables. Make table query, creates a new table from the data set. Append query, adds data in a table. Update query, change the data in a data to reflect the current position. Describe the function of the following features of a query grid. Criteria. This is where you enter a condition or expression that will be used by the query to filter records. Show. It is used to specify whether to display a field in the data set. Mention 3 functions of database management software. Keep statistics of data items in a database. Ensure security and integrity of data by safeguarding it against unauthorized access. Interface between database files and other application programs. Allows users to update or modify existing records. Allows authorized users to add or delete records.